Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Are you feeling stuck or on the verge of quitting? Maybe you've started multiple projects, but each time you hit a roadblock, you walk away. You're not alone, this happens to the best of us. In today's video, we're diving into why you keep quitting and, more importantly, how to stop that cycle. Stick around to find out the key reasons behind this and how you can stay motivated and keep creating no matter what. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the community of creators who are pushing past their limits and leveling up every day. Part 1. The reasons you keep quitting. 1. Self-doubt. Let's start with the most common culprit, self-doubt. Have you ever felt like you are just not good enough to succeed, or that you are not capable of achieving your goals? That little voice inside that says, "You're not cut out for this," is your biggest enemy. Self-doubt can stop you in your tracks, and before you know it, you're giving up on your dreams. 2. Unrealistic pressure and expectations. Another reason many creators quit is the pressure we put on ourselves. We expect success to come quickly. We see others thriving and think, "Why not me?" But when that success doesn't come as fast as we imagined, frustration sets in. The unrealistic expectations you place on yourself can lead to burnout and a loss of motivation. 3. Fear of failure and comparison. We all know failure is part of the journey, but the fear of it can be paralyzing. We also have this tendency to compare ourselves to others. When we see creators with bigger followings, better results, or faster growth, it's easy to feel like we're not good enough. But comparison only robs us of our own progress. Part 2. How to stop quitting. 1. Rebuild your confidence. The first step to overcoming self-doubt is rebuilding your confidence. Remind yourself that you're here for a reason. You have something valuable to offer, and the world needs your creativity. Instead of listening to that inner critic, start embracing your unique voice and potential. It's okay to fail, just don't let it define you. 2. Set realistic and achievable goals. Instead of chasing massive, unrealistic goals, focus on small, achievable milestones. These little victories add up over time and help build momentum. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. By breaking your bigger goals into smaller, actionable steps, you'll feel more accomplished and motivated to keep going. 3. Celebrate small wins. It's easy to overlook the small wins, but they matter. Every video you publish, every piece of content you create, and every skill you improve is progress. Celebrate these victories. They may seem small in the moment, but they add up and build the foundation for bigger successes. 4. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Instead of fearing failure, start seeing it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? By reframing failure as a stepping stone to success, you'll build resilience and have more drive to keep moving forward. 5. Stop comparing yourself to others. Comparison can be a silent killer of creativity. It's easy to look at others and feel discouraged, but remember, everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own path and your own progress. The only competition you need is with the version of yourself from yesterday. In the end, quitting is always an option, but it doesn't have to be your choice. Every creator goes through rough patches, but the key is to keep going. Creativity is not always easy, but it's always worth it. So if you're feeling down or ready to give up, take a deep breath, reset, and remember why you started. Success is closer than you think. If you're ready to push through those tough moments and keep creating, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and motivation. Keep your head up, stay creative, and never give up.